Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Typescript. So today we are going to learn of the key of constraint in Typescript. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. The key of constraint in Typescript is used to restrict a generic type parameter t to keys that exist on the given type. Suppose you have an object, right, and you try to access a property from here, and it is not exist in that one. What you will do in that case? We are going to learn in that one. So that comes in the key of constraint. Okay. So this is particularly useful when you want to ensure that the generic type of parameter can only be the one of the keys of an object or the interface. Let's take an example, then you will understand better more on that. Okay. So here we have an example, right? So here you can see the generic function get property where we have an object and the string. So currently we are passing the empty object. So it is not TypeScript not throwing the error over here. And if I just generally adding over here, so it will show me the undefined and undefined, because in object this property is not it. Basically the function doesn't guarantee in the object it exists or not. So in that case, how we are going to work on? Okay, so the key of constraint will come up. What we will do, so basically the definition says used to restrict a generic type parameter t to keys that exist on the given type u. So it must exist on the given type u, else it will throw the error. Okay, so I will show you how will it will throw the error. So here, what, so you have to change it like this. Okay, so if I go over here and changing the function, now the function will go with t. Okay, and the key should be extends of keyof. Okay, that means the object should have the keys of the type t. Okay, so key extends of that one. So here object is t and the key is k. Okay, so here you can see, if I try to assess the, you can see the object is, if the object is empty, that means the key is not existing over here. If I go and just put the person2 over here, okay, then what happened? It removes, because in the person object this key exists. If I put over here person2, and you can see that the gender, the argument of the type gender is not assignable to the parameter. So runtime, the TypeScript checks that the gender parameter is not over here, so it will throw the error. Okay, so that is the use of the key of constraint. So whenever you have an object and you are trying to assess the property which doesn't exist, so it will, you can use the key of constraint, so that it will tell you that something missing over here, this parameter is not in the object, so you have to change that one. So this is here the TypeScript will help you on that. Okay, so I will explain the again the definition of that one. Okay, so is used to restrict a generic type parameter t to key that exists on the given type u. Okay, so here you can see, so here we have a t and this is basically the u part. Okay, so what it says, used to restrict a generic type parameter t to keys that exist in the given type u. So means if you are accessing something from the u, it should be available on that object. Okay, that is the one simple line you can say about it. Okay, so this is the syntax that we have already discussed. Key extends of this, k extends of key of t. That means it should have the methods that we have in the objects, else it will throw the error that you have already seen, right? So this is here. If you're trying to assessing the property gender which is not existing in an object, then it is throwing the error. If you go with the age, it will not throw the error. Okay, because it lies in that one. So the person should, this object must be the part of this. Okay, must be lies in this one. This is the meaning of the key of constraint that we can use. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.